Hey there, it's Fergal here. And on behalf of myself and my business partner, Ben Martin, I want to congratulate you on taking the time to visit this page. So back in 2008, I was a rookie internet marketer. Yet somehow I managed to make my very first sale online in just 8 days. I remember thinking to myself at the time, this is going to be a walk in the park. If I can make my very first sale online as a newbie in just 8 days, then in 8 weeks from now, I'm going to be rich beyond my wildest dreams. And as you've probably guessed already, the road to the top was much more rocky than I initially imagined. Truth be told, I didn't make another sale for 6 months. It was then that I realized that the approach that I was taking to internet marketing was completely wrong. But like a blind fool, I plodded on, repeating the same dumb mistakes over and over again. I purchased course after course, which did nothing but burn a big fat hole in my pocket, while making those self-proclaimed gurus richer and richer. Before I knew it, I was 4 years older and 4 times poorer. Just when I was on the verge of quitting, I made a decision which would change the rest of my life. And that decision was to hire a coach to show me what was making them money with internet marketing. Within 6 weeks, I was $1,000 in profit. Within 3 months, I had made $50,000. Finally, my dreams had come true. I was able to look my family and friends in the eyes with pride and confidence whenever they asked me, "Hey, how's that internet business going for you?" Since that breakthrough, I've been traveling the world while making a full-time income from my laptop in my spare time. But anyways, this is not about me. This is about your dreams and your soon-to-be successful internet business. See, since my first breakthrough, I've come to realize 2 important things. Number 1, you don't need to pay for traffic to make hundreds, even thousands of dollars per day online. Number 2, you can easily hack a 2.7 billion visitor per month traffic loophole and ethically force them to send you people with credit cards in hand. Over the past 7 years, I've finally cracked the code to making $151.36 plus per day online, without paying for traffic. It takes me less than 10 minutes of work per day. It stuffs $151.36 plus per day into my bank account. It's simple and it requires no technical skills. It won't cost you a single penny to get any traffic. Here's some proof to show you that this is real. On the left hand side you have my snapshot from last year, 2020, and on the right hand side you have my most recent snapshot from this month. So as you can see, this has been working for me for a long time and it is currently working for me right now as well. So if you're struggling to find a method that works, a method which does not leave pieces of the puzzle out or ask you to pay for traffic when you have little to no budget, a method which allows you to quickly and easily pocket $151.36 plus per day for free, then keep listening and pay close attention. Because you're about to discover how you can skip past wasting money and time you don't have on courses that don't work. And the beauty of this method is that once you make your first sale, you'll be able to make repeat sales over and over again from the visitors this traffic source generates. And when you see how easily this method puts $151.36 plus per day into your pocket, you'll realize that you can quickly make $200 per day without any extra effort, and you can even scale this method up into a 6-figure income. I've put together a step-by-step course which reveals my entire method. Everything laid out in the members area is designed to quickly accelerate you to $151.36 per day without you having to pay for any traffic. It's simple enough to work for anyone and can be done in 10 minutes per day, even if you're a newbie. And when you make this wise decision to grab this today, it will change your life forever, just like it has mine. Introducing Tribe. Inside Tribe, you get 12 power-packed video modules. These videos are done in a step-by-step format where I show you exactly what you need to do to see big results, which makes it easy to copy and paste your way to $151.36 plus per day online. When you make the wise decision to grab Tribe, you can have days that look like this. So I previously showed you these snapshots as well, and I'm going to show you them again. Over on the left hand side is from 2020. And here on the right hand side is from just this month. And you also have weeks that look like this. As you can see, the top one there is from 2021. You've got March and April there, and the week that you see at the top is not finished. And on the bottom you see it's from 2020, so you can see that this method has been working for us for a very long time, and it continues to work. Here's just a glimpse of what you're going to discover inside. How to turn free traffic into $151.36 per day, even if you're just starting out. How to get started immediately, even if you only have as little as 10 minutes per day to spare. The secret to legally hacking a 2.7 billion visitor per month traffic source and forcing them to send you free viral traffic, leads, and sales. A stealth way to tap into any niche that you desire and make out like a bandit by using an ethical algorithm loophole. The one-click trick which automatically follows up with and monetizes hundreds, even thousands of leads per week. A secret viral technique which compels other people to happily send you more free traffic and free money. The easiest way to instantly grab people's attention so that you end up with the commissions and not your competitors. You also get 3 done-for-you cash machines proven to convert and ready to make you money starting today. You also get 2 quick and easy profitable ways to start getting free traffic within 5 minutes of logging into the members area. You also get the exact 4-step process which programs people to gladly send you money within the first 5 minutes of them knowing who you are. Why asking people to push this one little button will have them hanging on your every word while doubling or even tripling your profits. Plus much more. This method will put some seriously easy free money inside your pocket. But don't just take my word for it. Scroll down the page to see what some of the most respected people in internet marketing are saying about this. 10 minutes of easy work is all it takes to tap into this 2.7 billion visitor free traffic method and start making $151.36 plus as soon as today. It really is that easy. Now, at this point, I wouldn't be blaming you for thinking, alright Fergal, this sounds great, but what's the catch and how much is it going to set me back? Well, here's the deal. Unlike the methods behind most training courses out there, which quickly get saturated or become outdated, this method works right now, and as you've seen before, it's been working for me for over a year. It works today, it will work tomorrow, and it will work for months and even years and years to come. If you follow this method, you can easily scale this to a 6-figure per year income in 12 months or less, maybe even multiple 6 figures. Plus, you can literally implement this in less than 90 minutes. Use it to make money as soon as today. Then keep it ticking with just 10 minutes of easy daily work. I'm not going to oversell this though. You're getting something which cost me thousands of dollars to discover and countless hours of my time. I had to hire a coach for a huge investment. And that was after going through 4 years of financial and emotional hell where I nearly gave up. But because I don't want you to suffer like I did, I'm handing you a method for conservatively making $151.36 plus per day on a silver platter. And you're getting it for a tiny one-time investment, which is less than the price of a family pizza. When you grab Tribe today, you can lock in a massive discount and get it for less than $10. If your bank manager said, give me $10 and I'll give you $151.36 right now, you'd snap his hand off, right? Which is basically what you're getting here. The opportunity to make $151.36 over and over again for a one-time tiny investment of $10. Get instant access to Tribe right now by pushing any of the buttons below this video. And to make this the biggest no-brainer of your life, when you get started today, you're also getting 2 fast action bonuses for free. Just to be clear, these are not 2 crappy bonuses that I've added just for the sake of padding out this offer. These bonuses were custom created by me to help you get even faster results from the method inside Tribe. Here's what you're getting. Bonus number 1 is Seaside Profits. Learn how to create a passive recurring income directly from Fergal, me, who personally built his recurring income revenue up to $49,144.23 per month in just a few short months. That has a $297 value. Bonus number 2 is 24-hour traffic blitz. Let Fergal, me, show you my exact strategy for sending a boatload of free traffic to any website, blog, or offer that you want inside the next 24 hours with my 24-hour free traffic strategy, and that has a $197 value. So get instant access to Tribe right now by pushing any of the buttons below this video. And yes, I am really going to put my money where my mouth is with this one, because you're also getting my 30 days, no questions asked, cast iron money back guarantee. See, I know you've been down this road before. Every course creator and their dog on the internet promises you a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So I understand why you might be feeling kind of skeptical. I could tell you until I'm blue in the face that this method is exactly what you've been looking for, and that you would be making money easily if you follow the simple steps on the inside. But look, talk is cheap. And at the end of the day, you don't know me yet. Which is why I'm going to take all of the risk off your shoulders and put it on mine right now. You can use Tribe for a full 30 days to make sure that it's right for you. Make money with it and then decide whether it's worth keeping. And if for any reason, or for no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email by contacting support inside the members area, and I'll happily refund every single penny of your tiny investment for you within 24 hours or less. As a matter of fact, I'll even allow you to keep the course, including all of the bonuses, just as a thank you for giving it a try. So get instant access to Tribe right now by pushing any of the buttons below this video. And if you answer yes to any of these questions, then you need Tribe. Are you tired of spinning your wheels? Do you want to stop buying course after course with nothing to show for it? Would you like to stop paying for traffic? Do you want to make an easy $151.36 per day in only 10 minutes of work per day? And do you want a step-by-step training which shows you exactly how to get results fast? Do you want a never-ending free traffic source which you can easily monetize over and over again? Then you need Tribe. Remember, you can start getting results like this as soon as today. So again, you've got my 2 snapshots here. You've got one which is from, which is more recent, and you've got the other one which is from a couple of weeks ago there. So as you can see, as I've shown you already inside this video, this method has been working for us for a long time, and it's going to be working for a very, very long time as well. So there is really no reason to wait, especially since you're getting access to Tribe and the $494 bonus package 100% risk-free. So get instant access to Tribe right now by pushing any of the buttons below this video. And we'll see you on the inside.